Hey, welcome to ERD Powertrain. My name is Carlos, the Operations Manager. Come on in, check out our new facility. Here's where we cut our wire. This is a automatic wire stripper that can cut to a certain length depending on the customer specifications. Okay, here's our crimping station where we crimp the contacts to the wire. Crimping is taking a connector and mating it to the wire. Here's our harness board. It allows us to route your cable to your specs. So here is where we wrap your cables with high temperature tape. That helps protect the cable from mice, debris, and the elements. Here's our testing station where we do our testing for each cable that we build. And then if it passes, it allows me to print a label, ensuring that it passed our test.